Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use the older style task manager from Windows 10 and Windows 7 and 8 with Windows 11. So as you probably know, you could right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and then we have the newer Task Manager style here with all the menus on the side here: Processes, Performance, App History, Startup Apps, Users, Details, and Services. And for the most part, it's perfectly fine. But if you prefer to use the older style task manager, you could easily do so. All right, so to do this, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So Windhawk is a standalone app, and how it works is you install mods within the app to tweak the way Windows works. So there are lots of different mods you could use to really customize Windows. All right, so once you download and install Windhawk, you'll have your home screen that shows you any mods that you've installed, plus some suggested featured mods, and then you could also click on Explore, search for more, sort them by popular and newest, and so on, and then check any settings if needed. All right, so what you want to do is look for the mod called Windows 11 Old Task Manager. So you would put this in the search box here, and then once you found it, you would click on Details and Install, but I already have it installed, but it's disabled right now. So if I go into the details, it just kind of gives you an overview of how it works. And this one doesn't have any settings. Most of the mods will have some settings, but since this one's just enabling the classic task manager, it doesn't need any settings. All right, so I'm going to enable it. So now when I right click on the taskbar, task manager, and you can see here, I have the classic task manager interface with the tabs on the top here instead of on the side. And then if you don't want to use it, just simply come back to Windhawk and disable it. And now we have the new one back. And just so you know, Windhawk needs to be running here in the system tray, otherwise your mods won't work. So if for some reason they stopped working, then you could come here and make sure it's running, and it should also start up with Windows. All right, so once again, install Windhawk, which I'll put a link for in the description. Do a search for Windows 11 Old Task Manager in the search box here. Click on Details, Install, make sure it's enabled, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.